What's up guys, it's roblox 24 on your screen again, and if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Now the reason why I'm laughing is because I've got my friend on FaceTime right now. Now, I don't know what to do. I'm gonna do some, no, not jailbreak. Oh, this is already going bad. I'm gonna do some Phantom Forces, guys. Hi. Pardon? Those white shorts and some top. A top. I don't know. She's outside! Alright, let's go, guys. I'm new to Roblox, so. Yep. Alright. Hopefully it won't do this. Now. Wait a minute. My phone's being really weird at the moment. But, yeah. They can't see you, just saying. No. Put you there. Hey. Wait. Okay, so got it. Has it worked now? Oh. Right, it's just loading in, so it should be working soon. Okay, escape. I do not want to play this game, it's taking too long. Sorry guys. But yeah. But let's do some Murder Mystery 2. Play. Let's do this. I don't know what you're saying, just saying. Cause like, I can't hear you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Well, yeah, well I won't thumbs up. Cause I'm mean, like subscribe. No, I'm not mean. I'm just gonna put you there like I had before. Waiting for data. Alright, waiting for my turn. What should I do while they're waiting for my turn? Turn my volume up. There we go. Ooh. Oh, that's the one I took to Grandma's. I'm nearly on my turn though.
Sometime. It wasn't that. Oh, it's right underneath it.
1 minute, guys. Yeah?
Do you need me to go number?
No.
That's not what I saw. Oh, it's not. It's easy. No, it's not. No, it's not.
Okay. I'm still waiting for my time. Nope, taking too long. Sorry, but bye-bye. Why do these games like... Ah! So annoying. What should we play? Oh, let's just do like some memes and play Firefighter Simulator. Just some memes, boys. Like a song. I'll learn it. There's animal in ice lily, just saying. So you're not really vegetarian now, are you? Yeah, there is. Yeah, there is. Yeah, there is. Yeah, there is. Totally. Yeah. Guys, I know there isn't. I'm just trying to trick my friend because she's vegetarian. Wait, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Oh my days. Oh, okay. Your goal is to save parts from fire by soaking them. Okay. Equip your hose from your backpack. Okay. Yeah. Go to the highlighted part to save from the fire. Client, yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. Yeah, 1 minute. Yay. Yay, I'm a fireman. Few sharp hoses. 1,000? Oh my days, no. 1 minute, guys. Pardon? Okay, I am back. Okay. Exit. This game is bad. Guys, I'm sorry that I didn't actually play a proper game, but I'm gonna go. So, bye guys. Don't forget to share this video, subscribe, leave a like, and tell your friends. Goodbye.